We're live. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Bondary, and today I got some great news. I'm back, and I mean it's pretty obvious, but for the last couple days, actually, how long has it been? It's been a while. My internet's been dead, like literally zero internet. Nothing was working. It was pretty horrible, if I'm being honest. And yeah, I mean, it's now fixed, so everything's good, everything's happy. How long has it been? It's been 5 days. It's been nearly a week. So again, pretty bad, but we're back, and that's all that matters. Hopefully. Okay, we're gonna just get the stream up on my phone so I can see the chat. Make sure the chat is up everywhere. Oh, in other great news, I've hit 500 subscribers on YouTube as well. It's now kind of a battle between Twitch and YouTube, and who's in the lead actually? Is Twitch or YouTube in the lead? I know YouTube's at 502. Where is Twitch at? Also got sent email while I'm at it. Boom. Let's see, what is my Twitch at right now? We are at 501. YouTube is in the lead. This is the first time that YouTube has been in the lead with subscribers. I will say YouTube is going to have a lot easier time growing than Twitch ever will, because Twitch will never advertise my stream until maybe when I get a bit bigger, maybe it'll happen. But for right now, it's pretty much just going to be YouTube. YouTube with the shorts and the videos and everything. That's how we're going to grow. But yeah, anyways, what else do we have on the docket? Oh, last time we were on stream, I was working on the genetic AI snake algorithm, and I have not touched a problem since then. Plus, we have lead codes to do and other stuff. The internet going out just threw a massive hammer in my life. And, you know, that it is what it is, you know? I'm just double checking something real fast. Wait, why don't I have the... Okay. Okay. But anyways, so we'll probably start a leak code today. We're then going to move on to back trying to fix the... I have some theories. I have some theories as to why the AI did not work. Let me just double check something. Okay. Okay. Anyways, so leak code. So let's get our Microsoft Edge and everything else working properly. Leak code. Part of me is like, maybe I should just jump straight into a problem, but you know, I think starting a lead code just to like warm up, not a bad choice. There we go. Okay. So now everything's working properly. Chat is up. Everything's up. YouTube is up. Yeah, let's just roll this. Okay. So you're given a string S that consists of lowercase English letters and brackets. This is lead code 1190. 1190, what am I saying? 1190, reverse substring between each pair of parentheses. Given a string S consists of lowercase English letters and brackets, reverse the string in each pair of matching parentheses, starting from the innermost one. How would I do this? I'm thinking... So the issue is going to be nesting. That's going to be the main thing. So how are we going to make sure nesting is accounted for? So what I'm thinking is... I think every time we should do this recursively. So reverse parentheses is going to call itself whenever. No, that's not true. Not true. We're going to create another function called reverse. Oh wait, we're in JavaScript. Okay. Function reverse is equal. No, not equal. What? Oh, man, it's been way too long. Okay, so function reverse string, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go until we hit another parentheses or a. No, I'm wrong. Here's how we're gonna do this. Very, very simple. Here's how we're going to do this. So we're going to do is we're going to just add it to a string. So result is equal to an empty string. And what we're going to do is while so the thing is each call of reverse is going to delete the end parentheses. So once you hit an end parentheses, it's over for that function. We're going to send it back out. So really, and we're only going to call reverse whenever there's a start parentheses, and we're assuming that it is working properly. So how we're going to do this is we're going to do while. Honestly, we're just going to remove stuff from S. I don't see the point of doing it otherwise. So while. Use splice? Can you pause? Wait, whoa, hold up. Let me just double check something. I'm fairly confident you can treat a. You know what? I'm going to just test it. Let's have string is equal to a b console.log stir.pop. Let me just see if this works. Oh, whoops a daisy. Probably should remove this for right now. Huh? Okay, so you have a bug. So you cannot use pop apparently on it. How about splice? Or is it slice or is it slice? I think it's slice actually. Wait, hold up. Dot slice. And then just console.log stir. I just forget the. I could just Google this, but I just feel. Stir equals stir.slice. One, I guess. One comma negative one. No. I really should Google this. Let's just stir.length. This feels wrong. There's definitely a better way of doing this. You can drag me. I don't care. I know. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, so now that we know how to do this, we're gonna use slice. And now what we're gonna do is while s dot slice 01 is not equal to end parentheses. What we're gonna do is we're going to just Again, there has to be an end parentheses. That is the point. And if it is equal to end parentheses, then I think we can slice it at the end of it. I think that's how we're going to handle it. But until it isn't, we're going to, if s.slice 0, 1 is equal to a start parentheses, then what we're going to do is we're going to result plus equals to reverse s. Again, this is a recursive step. Else, what we're going to do is we're going to do act if reverse is called within reverse, you're going to reverse it. Oh god, this is going to get weird fast. There's definitely a better way of doing this. I'd love to actually think about this properly. Had equals reverse. And then we're going to do for let I equals 0. Okay, this feels wrong. For let I equals to revert, I equals add dot dot length minus 1I not equal to -1 I minus actually I greater than or equal to 0. Man, you take a 5-day break from coding and you just cannot code. That's just how it's always this way, actually. So I don't even know why I'm shocked, or why I'm pretending to be shocked about it. That's the law of coding. If you don't practice constantly, you just lose the skills. You forget the little details. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through all of the add, and we're going to do result. No. There's a better way of doing this. I'm thinking about this wrong. I'm thinking about this wrong. We shouldn't do it on the outside. I'm trying to reverse it on the outside, but we should really reverse it on the inside and then pass it out. That'll make it so much easier, and we'll get this to a proper... No, like, this is adding a lot of time complexity. That's not good. So here's how we're going to do this. We want to get to end time. I think that's the point. No, I'm still wrong. I'm still wrong. No. Okay. I feel like I should just go with the way I was the flow in the first time. So we're going in reverse. Add plus equals. Yeah, okay. Add plus equals to... No. Result plus equals... add I. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to... So after we reversed this and we added to the result... And now, hopefully, this works. So now after this, we're going to do result plus equals s dot slice 0, comma 1. And then, no matter what, actually no, here we're going to do s is equal to s dot slice 1, comma s dot length. And then we're going to do s dot equals s dot slice 1, comma s dot length. Okay, I think this will work. So I'm not sure if this is going to work. I do think there's definitely a lot of stuff here that could hurt. Actually, wait, hold up. Hold up. I don't need a secondary function because it just works. I think this will just, wait, hold up. Hold the fort. I think I can just copy this because the way I did it, I actually did it in such a weird way that I don't need a reverse anymore. The reason why I made a reverse function is no longer valid. Yeah, no. This is actually perfect. I'm accidentally a genius, I think. Possibly. This might actually go horribly wrong. I don't want to make any promises because if I make a promise, I'm not going to be able to keep it. Let's just run and see what happens. And we already got a bug. Not equals to parentheses. Why is there a bug? Maximum call stack. Oh wait, s dot slice. Oh, because if it's this, we want to actually, before we do anything, we want to remove s equals s dot slice 1, comma s dot length. You need a 1 bug, right? You need 1 bug to prove you're human. Ha 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 ha. That's fun. Wait, we want to do let result. We're close. We're so close. So result is equal to that. And then what's going to happen is because this happens. No, wait. That is an issue. So what we do, while s is not equal to empty and actually no, we don't. If there's an empty parentheses, there must be a start parentheses. That's a rule. Okay. So while s is not equal to that, or no, and because if one of these is false, we want to end it. And after that, this doesn't matter if it's at the end. So this is like a minor thing, but okay. So now we have this result. It's the same thing as before. We don't have the parentheses. That's a good sign. It means we're at least removing the parentheses that we need to. And I'm seeing it reversed. It is just brought back afterwards. So what we have here is this happens. then result plus equals add I. Is it a condition let here? Let, we'll call it temp for the sake of, in case add is a, okay. Anyways, so again, we're still having an issue. So temp is equal to reverse parentheses. We go back inside here, and now the first parentheses is gone. So we're gonna go through A. So while it's not at the end, we're gonna go through it, and it's not gonna have any of these. So we're gonna skip this. We're gonna go here, slice, result plus equals, result plus equals. We're gonna get through all of these. And then we're gonna get to the second parentheses. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna remove the last parentheses, and it's gonna go inside temp. And then in temp, let's console log temp here and see what happens. So temp is ABCD. Okay. So while let I equals temp dot length minus 1, temp I greater than or equals 0, I minus minus, result plus equals temp. But then why does it go like that afterwards? Let's just print something out here really fast. Let's see what happens. Okay, so result is correct there. And after this, S O. Why is S? Is it not a global variable? Why? Okay. Okay. How do we make sure? So S is not a global variable. That much is clear. And that's kind of frustrating, actually. So I guess in that case, what we can do instead is it throws a wrench in everything. Okay, here's how we're gonna do this. I'm just wondering if I just set a Again, the issue right now that I'm facing is it's not global. I'm not entirely sure. I made that entire thing assuming it's global. So right now it's kind of a okay. Now I'm wondering, can I do this without recursion? Because it should be possible. Kind of. Recursion definitely makes it easier. Okay, I'm gonna double check something. This might break it, but you know, at this point, I'm kind of grasping at straws. Um. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. Ah, okay, this should work. This should work. I hate it, but here's how we're gonna do this. I got an idea from a post. We're gonna call a function. Okay, so we have this function now, reverse. Okay, let's stir equal s. Now that'll call it. Actually, we'll do var stir, and then we're gonna do stir instead of string. I'm not a fan of the solution. I'm just gonna point out I did not endorse the solution. I'm just deciding to do it after I've went too far down the wrong road. This is a strategic decision. Oh wait, this does not go here. This goes here, here. And then return reverse stir. Let's see if this works. Okay. I think I've clearly proven that we cannot do this. This current route is not working. I've learned my lesson. So how are we going to do this? So the main issue is how we're processing the original string. Okay, there was another way of doing this that I decided against early on. Making sure that I noticed a function in no, there isn't. Okay, I thought there was a reverse function, but there isn't one. So we're man. Okay. So, again, the issue right now is that I did this by recursively calling this function and assuming the global variable would change. That clearly did not work, so what we're going to do is something a little bit different. What if I'm just trying to think how I'm going to approach this because my current method, I just need a way to keep track of the index in a global fashion. Okay, I'm going to just go back a little bit. Okay. This should work. The only issue is the indexing of it. I'm gonna don't know if it'll let me do this. I'm gonna call I equals 0. And now while I less than s dot length, not I, we're gonna say j. While j is less than s dot length and s slice, actually we can just do sj is not equal to end parentheses, then if sj is equal to the start parentheses, then we're going to first do j plus plus, and then let temp equals, okay, that's obvious. I'll keep it there for the time. Actually, we're going to remove this. You know this one already works. Then let I do this, reverse a temp, console log, yada, yada, yada. This is fine. We'll remove this for right now, just while we're doing this. And we're going to do, so result plus equals sj, and then j plus plus. And then s is equal to this, j plus plus. Run code. Yeah, it'll work. Now let's run our test case that they offered us. the I love you test case. And I'm gonna just modify it. Make sure that the edge cases are still working. And what? I literally I just tested that. What do you mean it's not working? I literally Okay. I literally just tested this. It says accepted. I swear to God. What? Okay, let's console log. Remove the console log that's in here. Wait, there isn't even a console log. Why is it? What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? I know what the issue is, and I'm unhappy about it. Okay, I can fix this, but S if this doesn't work, there's a nuclear option that will for sure work. I don't want to use a nuclear option, but var j equals 0, return reverse s. Getting a call. I'm gonna mute myself really fast. Testing audio. Testing. Spam. I'm gonna run several test cases. There's a bug. Maximum call size. Why? Well, this is not going very well for me. I should have gone this quickly. Again, my first solution would have worked if strings were global. My second solution would work because J was being updated between the functions, between each test case. Now I made it global. Now it should work theoretically. Is it working? Oh, wait. Now let's try it. There we go. My solution. Okay, I'm gonna make this abundantly clear because I'm gonna lose my sanity otherwise. I got it right first try. First try, there was like one minor bug, but for the most part, it worked. The only issue was I couldn't get the global variable to work, and it would have just like broken the code to do it. My second solution, also look at this, battery memory usage than 98%. This is an excellent solution. But also the secondary issue, this is honestly a great solution. But the second issue was when I used a global variable outside of it. The global variable didn't update. They didn't like rerun it. They had it all the test cases going back to back to back. So the global variable didn't update to its initial value. So then I had to re-update it using the function that called it. So all of that aside, I got it right. I'm gonna just say that I got it in the first like 5-10 minutes. The last 40 minutes of pain are just me trying to make my solution work within the confines of the machine. Anyways, it's over. The issue has been resolved, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our AI. Man, that took way too long. Kind of embarrassed by that actually. Okay, I'm gonna delete this because that's not gonna be how we're gonna do this. And what we're gonna do is we're going to look at the AI code. Get up and running. AI code. Okay. Now I'm going to try a simple solution to fix the AI. Okay, I just upped the neurons by a large amount. This might just fix it. This might not fix it. I guess we'll find out shortly. There's a couple other spots where the issue could reside. And now we're going to just run it. Okay, it's running. I'm actually partially scared that's going to crash the computer. Generation 2, 3, it's staying steady at 2. 3, okay, I'm just hoping we're going to see growth. I'm going to give it like, I'm going to just let it run for like 5 more generations. Let's run 20 generations. About 20 generations, we're still seeing 0 growth. I'm going to just assume it's a lost cause. On this one, we're going to do a deeper dive on the issue. There's a bunch of other stuff I want to test as well. So it isn't the end of the world if this doesn't work. Yeah. Again, let's give it like 2 more generations. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I will survive. Yeah, it's not working. So what we're going to do instead is, so we're going to, actually, even before I go any further, oh, let me go back to the code. We're going to try another thing as well. So we have this inputs.push into dist. Should I even include this? I'm more wondering why. No, wait. No, wait. No, wait. So, I think the AI would work so well if it just ignored everything and just went straight for the food. It wouldn't do great. It would fail pretty quickly. But that's like an obvious neural net outcome that the snake could do and get a lot of points. I'm wondering why it is refusing to do so. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to remove. Actually, no, there's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. So instead of this thing is bad, I remember now. There's another thing I can do. Action is equal to this dot brain predict inputs. And I want to see one thing really fast. This is going to probably break on me, but I just want to see if I set the number of outputs to more. Where are you? Choice. Okay, here it is. Return model predict. XS output YS dot data sync. No, let's do console log YS. Hello, Lee Wolf. How's it going? Welcome back to the stream. What we're going to do is we're going to change number of outputs on our model. If I can find it. To 4. Let's just run it and see what happens. We're going to get a bug. I know that for sure. Okay. So we're getting these things. So we're getting an array. Return output. For YS, I less than YS dot length, I plus plus, and what we're going to do is we're going to do output is equal to this output. I hope this is right. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but you know. I've gone too far to lose confidence. I'm going to do let output equal that. Okay. Then we're going to just run this and see what happens. I don't know if it's actually working. Okay, let's go back here. Man, this is getting rather intense. Fit equals false. I forget what this does. Oh, it's for this commented out thing. Oh, I see. Okay. Irrelevant. I just want to run one snake. We're going to comment all of this out. And we're going to run a singular snake. Snake is equal to new snake. And then snack.choice. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Well, that's an issue. So why is that not working? I'm trying to figure out exactly how to I feel like I need to read through documentation to understand this, and I don't think that that'll be very interesting to watch on stream. I will say, I'm going to spend less rest of the stream just chatting for a little bit because, I could code a lot more and we can do more stuff, maybe look at game jams and everything, but I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I just feel like there is just chat for a little bit, see if there's anyone in chat. Probably not. Just yeah, no, I've been doing pretty decent last 5 days. Have a job opportunity that I'm looking at right now. I will say the the job I'm currently at, not bad. Again, we had this conversation before. Much better than my previous job. It's much better for me. That being said, there's still some issues with it. It's still the thing is the bar is on the floor for these jobs. They're all entry level, and like not even like entry level. They're like um bottom of the barrel pay, um easy to do, more like physical labor type jobs, which is respectable, but I'm not built for it, and I'd rather have something that's more using my skill sets. So yeah, so that's kind of happening right now. I'm working on getting this new job opportunity. What else is happening? Um, we're gonna finish this AI project. I think gonna need some documentation. Gonna look at some possible projects. I think I'm like this close to getting it to work properly. That'd be pretty cool. I really think that as soon as I figure out the output neurons, and I just work a little bit on like the minutiae, making sure everything is like working as it is intended in the code, it should work. We should get getting back to game jams. That'd be a lot of fun. I'm working on a certification program right now for data analytics by Google. What else is going on with me? We've also I've just been learning. I've been trying to like learn a lot more about like various stuff in terms of like software and everything else. I think that's like the most important thing for me right now is just to learn everything. Social media is going to be back on. I know that we've kind of taken a long break from it. I think as soon as like I changed jobs and stuff happened and life happened and everything else, and then I lost the internet. Again, the internet was such an unexpected hammer in my plans. I did not expect to just be internetless for a week. That was crazy. That was so wild. I did not expect that. Could not have planned for it. Just unfortunate. And apparently, here's what happened. Apparently, the wire we had was so old, it was brittle. It was chewed up by squirrels, and like the inside was full of water. Like it was like you looked at the signal, it was bad. And I've been streaming on that for like literally last year. That's the wire we've been streaming over. So hopefully, this connection we have right now is just a million times better. I'm just hoping that's the case. You never know. Never know. But yeah, that's fixed. And if the job opportunity, I will say the job opportunity I'm looking at right now, the benefit of it is it's finally a career that I can actually see myself pathing through. One I can imagine myself staying in for a while. None of my jobs till this point have been any jobs that I would be like, yeah, I could see myself staying here for like an extended period of time. The job opportunity I'm trying to get, I can see myself staying there for years and being happy. And that's the first, even the longest job I've been in so far. I when I was working there, I would not have been able to like tell you with a straight face, yeah, I want to stay here for years. I ended up staying there for years, but I don't think I saw it as a long term career. This is. So I'll be working towards that, and hopefully that is going to be interesting. It'll be an analyst position. Anywho, this is my first stream back since the great internet outage. I think I'm gonna call it here. We're going to stream more soon. We're gonna stream a lot more. Um, but for right now, I want to kind of ease my way into it, and plus, I gotta prepare for some stuff. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching the stream. I'm not gonna do an outro just because, again, this is like just like an intro stream. I don't really feel like this this stream has outro potential. But yeah, I feel like I've been just very inactive on streaming and so on, and I apologize for that. My life is not making it easy for me to commit to streaming. Hopefully that'll change. I'm trying to get my life to a place where this is gonna be like easy. Because I like doing this. And it just I wish I could do more of it. That's the only thing. Anywho, have a great one. I'll see you guys soon. Tomorrow for sure. Hopefully earlier tomorrow. That'll be nice. And yeah, stay awesome and